Good morning, class. How are you guys today?
Tired, Miss Emma.
Oh, I'm so sorry. Alright, so today we are going to learn how to relate diagrams to text. But yesterday we did relating diagrams to passages, so we're just going to do a quick review on that and then get back into our next lesson, okay? So can everyone get out their wild, wild weather and their earthquake passages from yesterday? And then turn to the wild, wild weather one. So we read a couple of paragraphs from that one. So first we read, a tornado is a storm that can cause destruction in its path. Winds can reach up to 300 miles per hour. Tornadoes form from thunderstorms, and they are the most common in an area of the United States called Tornado Alley. This is an area where many tornadoes form because of the way the air moves. So we highlighted they are most common in the area of the United States called Tornado Alley. And then over here, we highlighted the map because it was telling us where exactly Tornado Alley was in the United States. And then we also kept reading to cool, dry air from the north and warm, moist air from the south meet. This causes thunderstorms, which can become severe. When the atmosphere is not stable, the winds can increase and produce a tornado. So we looked at the diagrams, didn't find anything of diagrams that related to that part of the passage. So we went over to this diagram that says, usually a tornado is in the shape of a funnel shape. Sometimes it looks like a rope. The reason that we highlighted that was because it wasn't in the text, so we thought it was about something important that we needed to learn. So next we're going to go to earthquakes. Have you ever felt an earthquake? During an earthquake, the earth feels like it is shaking. An earthquake is a vibration that travels through the earth's crust. The most common cause of earthquakes are the earth's tectonic plates. These plates are in constant motion, and when they bump into one another, it can cause underground vibrations. The place where the plates bump each other is called the fault line. Earthquakes are most common along the Pacific Ocean. So we went over and we highlighted Earths are most common in the Pacific Ocean. And does anyone know why we highlighted San Francisco earthquake, one of the most famous U.S. disasters? The fire started by this earthquake actually did more damage than the quake itself. Yeah, Ashley?
Because it was on the Pacific coast.
Exactly. And then we also highlighted Madrid, Missouri quakes, which is these earthquakes happen along the Mississippi River lasting for months. These quakes actually caused the river to run backwards. And the reason why we highlighted that was because it wasn't in the text, but we thought it was something important when reading the diagrams. All right, so next we're just going to start our lesson on relating diagrams to text.